Today's project is taking the other side brake caliper off of the Porsche, and so I'll show you what you need. You need a breaker bar to get the lug nuts off, which happen to be the same size as the brake caliper bolts. It's a 19 millimeter. So when the Porsche, or when the car is on the ground, take off the lug nuts. Jeez. Alright, now I'm gonna jack it up. And now I'll take the rest of the lug nuts off after breaking them loose. Film this too. I'm putting the tire underneath in case it falls. Alright. One bolt, that's the bottom bolt. They're two different lengths. Now we have another caliper. It's crusty. Then show the brake rotor. So that's how you remove a Porsche brake caliper off of a 74 through probably 89, 70 through 89 Porsche 911. Alright, so this is the top bolt. It's a little bit shorter. So now we're just going to put it back in the hole a little bit so we don't lose the parts. Here's the bottom one going back. We'll tighten it up a little. Alright, just so that it doesn't fall off or rattle loose if we ever have to move it or something. So now we're going to put the wheel back on. Okay, so I know I'll probably have comments saying that I was banging on the caliper too hard and it's gonna ruin it, or I'm treating it badly. That's just like the paint, like the grease layer. There's no dings in it. It's completely fine. And I torqued down the wheels in the correct pattern too, so. And I didn't lose any parts. It's all good. Okay, so I didn't show me torquing down the wheels. I guess the video just got deleted or something. But I'll show you that I chalked the wheels before jacking it up. Put the tire under the car in case it fell. Jacked from a good spot and put the jack stands on the correct places. So everything was safe. Even if the jack stand somehow failed, this was up a little, and then there was also the wheel under the car, so there was no chance of it falling on me. And so then I went with my breaker bar after I dropped it down and just tightened all those lug nuts up. Thank you for watching. So yeah, that was how to remove a brake caliper on a 74 911. I think it's the same from 1970 through 1989. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on the Porsche and the '68 Mustang Fastback.